Hey, what's up guys? We're going to do a little something different today. We are going to unbox these brand new pair of Santoni boots that I just got in the mail, and these happen to be the most expensive pair, so let's check these out. Right now I know we're used to watches, but we're going to try something different. I wanted to share something else that I'm also interested in and see if you guys are interested as well. So these just came in the mail, like I said. So here's the box, the dust bag, I guess is what you would call this. So let's unveil this. Okay, really nice, as I am learning this and experience this right now with you guys. So here's the zipper. So these are the Santoni March boots, and I know we're in the middle of summer, but at least I will be ready for the fall with these boots. So these are my very first Santonis, and if you know a little bit about shoes, Santonis are one of the most premium shoemakers, period. And what drew me to this was the look. It's this really burnished brown look here. My first Santonis as well, and these are actually deerskin, and I did want to smell these, and I just did, and it is a really rich smell and really soft. I wasn't familiar with deerskin up until now, but I am now. And it has this cool zipper that'll make it a lot easier to put the boot on and take it off than just the laces. So these retail for $750, and I paid just a little over $200. Would I have paid full price? Nope. But I figured let me get the other side here, at a little over a fraction of the cost, at $200, I figured it would be, I guess, the smart thing to do. I've never owned Santonis. These are brand new from a department store too, so I pretty much jumped all over it. So also, if we know a little bit about boots, there's really two qualities that go into resoling. I think that's the word, resoling. Goodyear welted and Blake stitching, and I believe these are Blake stitched. So these are resolable anytime, though I've really never had any of my shoes where I had to resole them, but it is an option when you spend a little bit of money on a premium pair of shoes, and I'm really looking forward to the fall with my first Santonis. And I know watches pair well with a lot of things, right? Watches in cars, watches in coffee, watches in jeans, and watches in shoes. So I wanted to share this with you, and what things I also enjoy other than watches, and let me know how you like to pair your watches and what other types of hobbies interest you in addition to watches. All right, thanks guys, and we'll be back with regular watch content, but again, I wanted to share this unboxing moment with my first Santonis with you guys. Thanks guys, and I'll see you soon.